A lot of moose around here. Eating on the willows. Look at their trail across there where they come out. Thick trail. That's all moose tracks. Just pouring out all over the river. Okay, I have a snare here. I see some wolf sign. I have a snare up here, but it's kind of an obvious sit. I see the wolf walked up and kind of turned around, but we'll see if they ever went through up here. There was two around here. Look like only one track now though, and I have a couple of snares out here in different places. Oh, look like I got one. Jesus. This is where their trail came off and on the river. I climbed the cut bank. I got about this far, and in case they're coming into the river, I walked like a moose right here. Boom, boom. Over here, I snuck in. I put that snare right here. I came in from right here. I put it in, and yeah, looked like I lucked out. Almost like a blue wolf, maybe. Seeing some blood back here. Signs of struggle. Like a moose got chewed up. He's probably dead around here somewhere. Looks like I found it. Not much left. Some legs and some guts. Nice big trail back there. I'll put a couple snares.